So this is the geisha and geisha's brain. Let's run her brain. She arrives at idle. The parameters have been set and retrained to just simply be idle, but that is her brain. That is her brain. So then, whoops, geisha and her brain. You see, she's in breathing idle one. Everything else is essentially zero. And now I'm going to retrain it to be hip hop dancing. That was one cycle. Okay, not bad. Another cycle. Another cycle. Another cycle. Oh yeah, she's getting more hip hop every time I click this button. So let's see, hip hop dancing is at 0.9. Everything else is at mostly nothing. That's about as full hip hop dancing as she will get. Yeah, don't see it's going to get any bigger than that. Right, these are 4 to the negative e's. So there she is in hip hop dancing. And that's based on her brain and what's firing in her brain. So now she's in hip hop dancing, and now I'm going to train her to take a punch. Take another punch. Left. Take a punch. Take a punch. Take a punch. Keep on taking a punch. I might have my index wrong. I think I have my index wrong. Okay, she's doing what now? Well, let me see where is my solid one. I'm not exactly sure. Thought it was take a punch. But you did see how the animation changed. As usual. uh, I had my one-off error. So I was thinking that I was training to taking a punch, but I was actually training to dancing. And because dancing, taking a punch is 18, it's not 19. There are 20, 0 to 19. So now I will retrain her to taking a punch from dancing. She's dancing and taking a punch. A little bit more. A little bit more. Oh, dancing and taking a punch. We're basically at now, after just 3, 4, 5 retrain sessions, we're basically at zero point 0.9 on taking a punch. Everything else is essentially zero. And she's taking a punch. One more training there. So this is interesting. So let's take silly dancing. Let's take the node silly dancing. She's taking a punch, and then we can actually start mixing this in. Um, and so I'm just going to say the new answer is 1. It keeps things simple, and then I'll retrain and try to bring silly dancing up. So this is taking now a punch in combination. This is silly dancing in combination with taking a punch. And that's all going on in that head of hers. Completely different result. I have yet to ascribe meaning to this. That's the problem. So let's go back. Let's see what is taking a punch is still point 0.9. But I can go back and retrain to just simply taking a punch. So silly dancing should diminish. It is. It's at 0.5, 0.4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, now she's just getting hit. Silly dancing is almost to nothing. Taking a punch is almost to 1. Fascinating. And now with a really quick retraining, she's at a 1-to-1 balance between kiss and taking a punch. We can choose another node, let's say victory, and put in some new weights. New input. Most things are going 0 at this point. So I'm going to just say 0, 0, 0 again equals 1 on victory. Victory. Victory, 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 victory. So now this is a 1-to-1 mix between victory, kiss, and taking a punch. How do I apply meaning to this?